Welcome to BigBeluga's Order Blocks feature, your ultimate tool for identifying key zones of market activity. With order blocks, you can pinpoint where smart money or big institutional orders are sitting. These zones act like magnets, drawing price action, making them perfect for spotting entry, exit, and support or resistance levels. To get started, turn on the Enable Blocks option. Instantly, you'll see bullish zones in green and bearish zones in red populate your chart. Let's walk through the customization options to help you fully utilize this feature. First, Show Past lets you control how many historical blocks are visible. The default is set to 4, but you can adjust this to focus on recent activity or to analyze a broader range of data. Next, we have Granularity, which filters blocks by their strength and direction. You can choose from weak, balanced, high, or strong, and even filter for bullish or bearish blocks. For example, if you're looking for strong resistance, filter for bearish and strong to highlight only the most relevant zones. The mitigation method determines when an order block is considered filled and removed from the chart. Selecting wicks means even a small wick touching the block will mitigate it, ideal for fast-moving markets. Choosing Touch requires the price to interact more fully with the block, offering a stricter confirmation. This feature helps adapt the tool to different trading styles and market conditions. Timeframe customization is another powerful feature. It allows you to display blocks from higher timeframes on your current chart. For instance, you can view daily blocks while analyzing an hourly chart, helping you align your strategy with larger trends. Now, let's dive into the detailed data features that make BigBeluga's order blocks unique and invaluable. Start by enabling Show Delta to compare bullish and bearish volume within each block. This feature displays the net difference between buying and selling pressure, represented as a delta value. A positive delta highlights stronger buying activity, indicated by green, while a negative delta shows dominant selling pressure, indicated by red. For example, if a block shows a plus 75 delta, it suggests significant buying pressure, making it a potential support zone. These insights help you gauge whether a block is likely to act as support or resistance, depending on the prevailing sentiment. You might notice a bullish order block with a negative delta, and here's why. Delta reflects the balance of buying and selling activity recorded within the block when price interacted with it. Even though the current price might be far from the block, the delta shows that sellers dominated during its formation. This doesn't contradict its bullish designation. It highlights how institutional players often use selling pressure to accumulate liquidity before driving the market higher. A negative delta in a bullish block often signals that this level is significant and likely to act as support in the future. Always focus on how price reacts when it returns to these blocks to confirm their strength. Once you've explored delta insights, move on to Show Metrics to uncover the total volume distribution among all visible order blocks. Each block is assigned a percentage, representing its share of the total volume across displayed blocks. For example, in the image shown, the bullish order block holds 66% of the total volume, marking it as a zone of intense market activity. This helps you quickly identify the blocks with the most significant market influence, allowing you to focus your strategy on these key areas. By targeting blocks with higher percentages, you can anticipate stronger price reactions, refine your entries and exits, and align your trades with institutional activity. Next, activate Show Traded Volume to view the total activity within each block. Note that this feature requires show trading activity to be enabled first. Once active, you'll see the trade volume of the trades executed within each block, highlighting zones with heightened market interest. For instance, a block with a higher traded volume might indicate active institutional orders, making it a critical area to watch for price reactions. This feature is particularly useful for validating the significance of a block before entering a trade or setting stop-loss levels. When you enable show trading activity, you'll immediately see a detailed percentage breakdown of bullish versus bearish volume within each order block. For example, in the displayed block, 87% bearish and 13% bullish activity signify that selling activity dominated during the formation of this block. These percentages highlight the proportion of total volume contributed by selling bearish or buying bullish orders offering an in-depth look at market sentiment. This feature is essential for identifying zones with heightened institutional activity, as it helps you assess whether a block is likely to act as resistance or support. Finally, wrap up your analysis with show rating, which categorizes order blocks as weak, balanced, high, or strong. Strong blocks, in particular, highlight zones where institutional traders or smart money are most active. For example, a strong bearish block can serve as a reliable resistance zone for short trades. This intuitive rating system provides a quick overview of each block's importance, making it easier to integrate into your trading strategy. Imagine this: you're planning a short trade and see a red bearish block with a high delta score and strong rating. This tells you there's significant selling pressure, making it an ideal resistance zone for your position. Or, if you're looking for a quick analysis, you can reduce the number of blocks shown to focus only on the most recent and relevant data. BigBeluga's order blocks aren't just a feature. They're a comprehensive system for understanding and acting on market dynamics. Use the settings to tailor the tool to your strategy and let it guide you to smarter, more informed trading decisions.